When I was in high school and studying with Joe Morello, he was a really inspiring player and a fantastic teacher. And he would always say, when you crash a cymbal, you don't want to do it like a straight jab into the cymbal. He said, you want to make a glancing blow. So you play kind of across the cymbal with the shoulder of the stick. So if I'm riding and want a gentle kind of punctuation to add some fat to the sound, I'm going to play either like this or like this, not more like that. And I'll demonstrate that. As opposed to this. That's choking the cymbal as you're trying to get an accent. So I want to play. And basically I'm trying to activate it from the edge and get everything vibrating and opening up as quickly as possible. And so you want to get on it and off it as quickly as possible rather than and that brings out the darker qualities in the sound. And sometimes we want that. You know, if everything is really so consistent, then maybe that gets a little boring. So we want to use all the different colors in the cymbal. So I can go from here. And as you can hear, you can almost create a little song just right with the different zones on the cymbal.